Good morning, dear students, and I will take revision from chapter 15, and name of the chapter 15 is the sun, moon and stars. Lesson 15, the sun, moons and stars. The sun, moon and stars. So first we will discuss about the sun. I told you sun rises in the morning. In which direction it is? It rises in the east direction. When? In the morning. Sun rises in the morning in the direction east. Sun rises in the morning. Sun rises in the morning. Sun rises in the morning. In which direction? East. कौन सी दिशा में निकलता है? पूर्व दिशा में निकलता है. कब निकलता है? सुबह के टाइम. Then sun rises in the morning in direction east, and you know that it is much bigger than the earth, but it looks small. Why it looks small? Because it is very far away from here. It is far away from here. That's why it looks like a ball, but it is much bigger than the earth. हमारी पृथ्वी से बहुत बड़ा है ये. But we are looking just like a ball. It looks like a ball. And the sun shines brightly during the day. During the daytime, we can see that sun shines brightly. And what provides heat and light? What provide us heat and light? Sun provide us heat and light. Sun provide us heat and light. And sun sets in the evening. When it sets in the evening, sun sets in the evening. In which direction it sets? Sun sets in the evening. Sun sets in the evening. In which direction? West. सूर्य पूर्व दिशा में निकलता है और पश्चिम दिशा में अस्त होता है. Sun sets in the evening. Sun sets in the evening. In which direction? West. And after the sun sets, you know that we have night. And during night time, what we see? We see moon. What we see? Moon. Sometimes in the sky no moon is there. Sometimes we see moon like this. This is the crescent moon. This is the crescent moon. This is the crescent moon. First it appears like this. This is called the crescent moon. This is the crescent moon. After that, sometimes it looks like this. This is the half moon. This is the half moon. This is the half moon. And sometimes you look full moon like this. Full moon like this. Sometimes no moon is there, and it begins rising first in the shape of crescent, and when it looks half, it is called half moon. And when it looks, and sometimes we do not see the moon at all, then we can see that no moon. And after that it begins rising in the first in this shape. This is called the which moon? Crescent moon. This is crescent moon. And when it looks half, then we call it half moon. And when it looks half, we call it half moon. And when it looks full, round, then we can say that it is full moon. It is full moon. Now come to the stars. We will discuss about the stars. Stars. Stars twinkle in the sky at night. During the night, you can see that stars like this, they twinkling in the sky. And it is present during the daytime also. दिन में भी stars दिखते हैं, but sun के bright light की वजह से हम stars को नहीं देख पाते हैं. And stars are very large in size. And they look small because they very far away from us. That's why it looks just like a dot structure. When you will see from here, then it looks like this, just like a dot. But it is very large in size, and it looks very small because it is very far away from here. And stars are large in number. Many stars you can see in the sky during the night, and we cannot count them. It is not easy task. We can't count them. So this is the chapter 15, and you will take revision of this chapter.
Good morning, dear students. Today I will take revision from chapter 15, and name of the chapter 15 is the sun, moon and stars. The sun, moon and stars. So you can see that when you look up at the sky, then you will see that during the day you will see the moon. What you will see? The moon. And after that, when you know that sun rises in the morning and it rises in the east, and it looks like a big ball of fire. You can see in the diagram. And you know that is it much bigger than the earth, and it looks small because it is very far from us. And you know that sun rises in the morning. Which directions? In the morning, sun sets in the evening and rises in the east and sets in the west. And in the moon shines in the sky at night, and you know that first it looks in the shape of crescent, then it looks half, and when it looks full round, it is called the full moon. Now we will discuss about the stars. So stars, you can see that stars twinkle in the sky at night. Stars are also present during the day, but we can't see. Stars are very large in size, but they look small because they are very far. Stars are large numbers, we can't count them. So this is the sun, moon and stars. You will take a revision.